All right, phase 2. That's my layout. This is one of my top 5 balls. I gotta remember that's a symmetrical. Yeah, doesn't hook like the damn effect. Of all the balls I have, the Phase 2 is one of the most consistent. I was a little late to the party with the Phase 2. I didn't get it until, I don't know, 4 months ago. But I'm glad I did. It's a very good ball. And it smells good too. So I guess the new Rockstar that's coming out is very similar to the Phase 2. It's supposed to be the Roto Grips version of the Phase 2. I was gonna get it, and then I saw that it's too similar to the Phase 2. I'll just keep my Phase 2. A little too slow now. That's 13 mile an hour. That shit, that's ridiculous. Oh, it counted it as a spare. What you know? What do you know? I guess it moved so much that it registered as a spare. Very good consistent shape with the Phase 2. Tripping it out, tripping it out. That shit went everywhere. Those pins went everywhere. Weird ass leaves. 8-10 split. That's a rare one. about as close as I can get to that one. Holy moly. Put a little bit more spin on it, and it works its magic. Phase 2, yeah, messed up on the 10th frame.